Once upon a time, in the magical land of the North Pole, there was a bustling place filled with joy and laughter known as Santa's Workshop. Imagine a gigantic workshop where elves work day and night making toys for children all over the world. Now, you might be wondering, what happens to all the extra toys that are left over after Santa's big delivery on Christmas Eve? Well, settle in and let's explore this delightful mystery together. Every year, elves work hard, preparing thousands and thousands of toys. They make sure each toy is perfect, and they work with love and care. Sometimes, though, they make extra toys just to be sure there are enough for every child, everywhere. But what happens when there's more than what Santa needs? Here's the magical part. Nothing goes to waste in Santa's workshop. First, some of the extra toys are stored away safely in a special room that elves call the Toy Vault. It's kind of like a big treasure chest, but for toys. The Toy Vault keeps toys fresh and ready, just in case there's a special request or if Santa needs a little more help next Christmas. This way, the elves can save some time next year, knowing they have a stash of toys they can use. But that's not all. Some of the toys get to go on exciting journeys. Santa believes every toy should be loved and cherished. So he works with his team of elves to send these extra toys to places where they are needed the most. Sometimes they go to schools or hospitals where children might not have many toys to play with. Imagine the smiles on those children's faces when they receive a surprise gift from Santa himself. Those toys bring joy and laughter, turning moments of sadness into happiness. And did you know? Santa's workshop is also very mindful about taking care of our planet. That's why they have special elves who help recycle and repurpose toys that may not be used right away. These clever elves take parts from older toys to create brand new ones, making sure nothing goes to waste. This way, they help protect the environment while also making sure more children can receive gifts. In the end, every toy made in Santa's workshop has a purpose. Whether it's waiting in the toy vault, bringing smiles to children in need, or being recycled into something new. Each toy is part of Santa's magical plan. And isn't it heartwarming to know that the spirit of giving and kindness lives on throughout the year? Not just at Christmas time? So the next time you wonder what happens to the leftover toys from Santa's workshop, remember, in this magical place, everything and everyone gets a chance to shine. And that's the secret of how Santa and his elves make sure that each toy brings happiness and love to children everywhere.